Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Okay. Now, today we are going to writing in practicing letters book. Okay. So, open the book. Page number 4. Okay. So, this is page number 4. Now, we are going to write today sleeping line and standing line. Today we are going to write patterns. Okay. We have to only trace the pattern. So which line is this? This is sleeping line. SLEEPING. This is called sleeping line. LILE line. And this is called standing line. STANDING. Standing line. LILNE line. Okay, student. Now, first I will trace sleeping line. So we have to do very careful. Okay, so we have to start from left, go from right and stop. This is called sleeping line. We have to write down very properly. Okay, like this. Which line is this? Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Here are two lines. Okay, means 4 line. One is pink line, second number is blue line, again blue line, and 4 number is in pink line. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write down only 2 blue line. So we have to write down sleeping line. Only we have to trace. We have to trace dot. Start from left and go right side. Okay, this is called sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. This is called sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Like this you have to trace sleeping line. You search the objects of sleeping line and standing line. आपने objects को देखा क्या घर पर? At your home. Search it. Okay, student. Now, standing line we will trace. Okay. So this is standing line. We have to start from pink line, come down and stop on blue line. This is called standing line. Start from top and come to bottom. This is called standing line. Which line? Standing line. Like this you have to trace. This is called standing line. We have to start from top to bottom. Like this. Okay, student. Which line is this? Standing line. This is called standing line. Standing line. This is called standing line. Start from pink line, come to bottom and stop on blue line. This is called standing line. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Standing line. Like this we have to trace pattern. Which line is this, student? Standing line. Revise again and again. Okay. This is called standing line. Okay, sleeping line and standing line. Now next page is page number 5. Okay, now here on next page, this is right slanting line like this. Okay, so this is the right slanting line. So we have to write RIGHT, right slanting, SLANTING, right slanting. Now line, LINE, line. Okay student, now this is left slanting line. So we have to write down LEFT, left. Now slanting, SLATING. Now here line, 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 left slanting line. Okay student, now we have to start from top to bottom. This is right slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line. We have to start from pink line and come down in a cross and stop second number blue line. So this is called right slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line. Okay student, like this we have to trace right slanting line. लाइन जो है वो सीधी भी नहीं रहती है और आड़ी भी नहीं रहती, वो कैसे रहती है, टेढ़ी रहती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लांटिंग लाइन. इसीलिए हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्लांटिंग लाइन, जो सीधी भी नहीं रहती और आड़ी भी नहीं रहती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड राइट स्लांटिंग लाइन. Left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line. Okay student, revise again and again and trace the line, left slanting line. Okay, why this is left slanting line? Because this is my hand, this is left hand, and the line is also cross in left side. So that's why this line is left slanting line. क्योंकि मेरा जो ये हैंड है वो लेफ्ट है, तो हम जो लाइन जो है वो लेफ्ट पोजीशन में ट्रेस कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए ये लेफ्ट स्लांटिंग लाइन. दिस इज कॉल्ड लेफ्ट स्लांटिंग लाइन. ओके स्टूडेंट, like this you have to trace in 3 line very properly. Sharp your pencil and then trace line. Which line is this? This is called left slanting line. Like this you have to trace. This is left slanting line. Okay student, what we trace today? Today we trace pattern. Which pattern? Sleeping line, standing line. On next page, right slanting line and left slanting line. Okay, in practice letter book. Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to also trace very properly and click the photo and send on the group. Okay, till then, bye bye.